Hello everyone, it's Kari from sunshineinmypocket.com. Today I have a little bit of a different video for you because I am in my brand new craft room. I don't have my camera completely set up or my microphone to do voiceovers. However, I wanted to come and show you this new product called Kaleidoscope Powder from Maker Forte. So I am doing this live today. I hope I don't have too many mishaps and that I stay in the screen. I hope you'll forgive me if I am just learning this new system here in my new place. But I have a bunch of kaleidoscope powders here. There are lots of colors you can use as well that are available from Maker Forte, like some of these that I'm not using today, but they do have a lot of different colors as well. And today I wanted to show you the difference between these white ones. They all look similar, but I'm going to tell you they turn out different when you use them. And then I'm going to throw in a little bit of lime wired because I'm wanting and hoping to make this Halloween card using this beautiful stamp from Maker Forte in collaboration with the Hedgehog Hollow. It's so cute. And so let's go ahead and get started. So to start today, I want to show you the difference that these kaleidoscope powders, I want to show you what they look like on black paper when you stamp them, the difference that they are. So today I'm using the clear water-based ink pad from Maker Forte. This is their new Color Hive clear ink pad. I believe they're going to be coming out with a lot of different ink pads as well, different colors, but this one is perfect for heat embossing, for watermarking, for powder techniques with these kaleidoscope powders. Now, I think, if I'm correct, these kaleidoscope powders are called this because they do change colors. And when you look in a kaleidoscope and you turn the kaleidoscope, it changes colors. So what I have here is I have a little star stamp, and I'm going to just stamp this onto some black paper. And now it's ready to put some of the kaleidoscope powder on. So I'm going to choose this first one here called Snow Flurries. And this one is probably going to stay white. I'm going to use this smaller side of the brush here to pick a little bit up from there, and I'm just going to brush it on. You only need the smallest amount of this kaleidoscope powder because look how bright and vivid that's going to show up on the clear ink. I'm just going to put the cover on that while I'm working with this powder. And I'll just brush off the extra. I'm going to use the clean side now that I haven't used before, just to brush off any extra of that powder. And look at that. So it will stick to the embossing clear ink. And I hope you can see what that looks like here. Let me shine it in the light. But this Snow Flurries one is very iridescent. It's pearly, it's beautiful, it shimmers, and it shows up so great on the black. Now I'm going to take the larger brush also that's available from Maker Forte, just brush off the extra. You can see that cleans off my paper really nice and leaves me with a beautiful color. So let me just write on here that this one is Snow Flurries. So this one is Snow Flurries. So let's go ahead and swatch out the rest of them. Just going to do the exact same technique. Stamp the stamp with the clear ink. I'm going to do Neptune. Take the small end, just get a little tiny bit, and brush that on. So this one changes to green in the light. So it looks white in here, but on black it actually is kind of a light green color. It's really beautiful. Now I should mention that before I use this brush again, I'm just going to wipe it off. I don't want to use water with this because when you introduce water to this brush, it is just going to get the Kaleidoscope powder wet, and that's not the look we're going for today. You can watercolor with these as well, but today we're just going to be doing some stamping and brushing on of these colors. Let's try Shooting Star and see how that compares with Snow Flurries. Wow, I don't know if you can see this, but this one has a lot of mica powder in there. It's so pretty. Shooting Star. Oh, wow. Okay, you guys, this one is gold. Gold, kind of a coppery gold. Can you see that? Oh, wow. That's so fun. Okay, that's so pretty. I was surprised. We're gonna go in with Alien now. Ooh, this one's pretty. This one's very subtle, but it has kind of an iridescent, clear green sparkle to it. Look at that. It actually disappears a little bit. It's kind of ghostly. That's what I think about Alien. A little bit ghostly. Alien. All right, and let's do the Lime Wired also. This one is a very, very subtle green, but I think, if I'm right, I think that it glows in the dark. I'm a little bit surprised at how some of these colors are turning out. I think on white they're going to look a little different as well. So let me show you the white ones. These are all the ones that were white. So we have Shooting Star and Alien. We have Neptune, which turns more green, and Snow Flurries. So these ones were all white, and that's the way they look different. And then Lime Wired was a bright green, but it is very faint. It shows up much fainter than I expected. So we're going to give this a try now, and what I want to do is stamp the witch, and we're going to do her in Neptune. She's going to be kind of a green witch. And then we're going to add all the other colors of bats around and a Happy Halloween that I think will emboss. So let's get to it. Just to be safe, I'm going to use my Mini Misty to stamp her. I want to make sure I leave enough room down here for the Happy Halloween. Oh, I love it already. So look at that green witch. So cool. All right, and let's go ahead and stamp on the Happy Halloween. This is really cool font. All right, so for this one, I think we will heat emboss it. I'm going to use some liquid platinum, I think. It's not too gold, not too silver, just the right amount. All right, I'm going to go ahead and fill this with water. I'll be right back and we'll set the rest of that. So this water bottle, it just squirts a fine, fine mist. So all I'm going to do is squirt this into the air and then just bring this in. Just like that. It's going to set that and so that it won't come off. So there is our witch and our bats. I'm going to finish off this card by matting it with some bright green paper. Maybe a softer green to match the witch. So I'm going to cut this down. Be right back. I'll go ahead and glue this to the card or to the green panel. And then I'll attach it to a 110-pound card base. There's our simple card for today. Some bats, they're very kind of glow in the dark, kind of like shimmery. The green witch. Some really fun Kaleidoscope powders. I hope you'll give them a try. They're really fun to play with. They make different colors, all kinds of different effects that you can get with these. I'll be back soon sharing some more projects. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.